There's a single Windows error, WinError206, that silently kills long video renders, and the fix is embarrassingly simple once you know what's causing it. Why build a pipeline to turn code into videos? Because manually scripting, recording, editing, and uploading a single dev video takes hours. I wanted a system that takes my source code in notes and outputs a finished narrated video automatically. The stakes: if the pipeline breaks, I waste time debugging instead of building. And if the AI hallucinates facts, the video is untrustworthy. First module, scout.py. It scans GitHub trending and hacker news, then asks an LLM, DeepSeek, for a sharp builder's take instead of summarizing the news. The commentary is original, not a regurgitation. Second, director.yt.py. It takes a grounded brief and writes a long-form script as JSON. The system prompt includes a truth gate that forbids inventing numbers or facts not in the source. The structure is fixed: hook, context, build, payoff, CTA. Third, elevenlabs.py. It synthesizes an English voice with 11 labs and caches each clip by a content hash. That way, identical text is never billed twice. Saves money on repeated phrases. Fourth, autocap.py. It renders the actual source code as clean, dark IDE-style cards. It deliberately does not screen record the full desktop because that would leak private browser tabs into a public video. Safety first. Fifth, assemble.py. It renders each segment as its own small clip, a visual stretched to the narration's length, with libus captions split into short chunks, then concatenates them. Using many small ffmpeg calls instead of one giant filter graph avoids the Windows command length crash. WinError206, that's the fix. Break it into pieces. Sixth, upload.py. It pushes the finished file to YouTube through the data API with OAuth. That's the final step. Video goes live. Hard lessons. The truth gate still leaks occasionally. The AI invented a 3 months timeline that wasn't in the source. That's exactly why a human review gate before publishing is non-negotiable. Also, about 60% of the infrastructure was reused from an earlier video pipeline I built for a different kind of channel. And the safest, most policy-proof visual is your own real code, not stock footage. The pipeline works, but it's not a set-and-forget system. If you build your own tools, you'll hit weird errors like WinError206. The fix is usually simpler than you think. Subscribe if you want to see more real systems. No hype, just code. And if you need a voice for your videos, 11 Labs is what I use. Link in the description.